In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 94 by 4 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 9. We know that 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract, we get 1. Now 1 is less than 4. That is why we will bring down this number 4 here. Now 4 times 3 is 12. Subtract, we get 2. Now see that 2 is less than 4, but we don't have any number to bring down here. Therefore, we will put a decimal here so that we can write 10. Now 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract, we get 0. As we have obtained the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 94 divided by 4 is equal to 23.5, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.